Stolen Babies have been on the road with Pop Evil and Stone Sour, and the independent band is winning over fans and peers one venue at a time. The band features former Dillinger Escape Plan and current Marilyn Manson drummer Gil Sharon and Dominique Lenore Percy, joining Ronnie Sharon for a sound that is much bigger than a three-piece band. Sharon said that the threesome was specifically requested by Stone Sour for the tour.
I remember showing up to the first show and seeing Corey and the rest of the guys in the dressing room the first night, and just saying, hey, thanks, we're grateful to be on the bill, you know what I mean? And they're thanking us, for being us. Like, thank you guys for doing what you do. We're entertained by you, so we want to take you out. People should see you, whether they like it or not. We like you, so we're inviting you out. That's a really nice thing.
The band does have a unique sound, and we asked Dominique and Gil if that was a good or a bad thing.
It's both. It's both. I mean, look, it's where we come from. It's where we've always come from. And my whole life, since I was a kid, I've never personally never fit into, down to like my my ethnicity. Like I'm half Italian. No one ever knew what. I'm used to not really being able to be labeled, and then now I'm in a band that is that. For some people, in certain tours, we're too weird. For other people, we're not weird enough. We get both sides. But we're just doing what we love and what comes out naturally. And so I guess it's both. Mostly it's good.
They also talked about earning respect from bands and fans alike.
What's cool to us is we've noticed, like this tour, for instance, there's a million bands and big labels that would have thrown money to get their band on this tour, their exposure. We didn't buy on this tour. We were chosen. So by sticking to our guns, working hard, being patient, these opportunities are going to present themselves. And the fact that we're given these big opportunities, it's only going to lead to more bigger opportunities and more people talking. So that's the grassroots way we see it, especially as an independent business as well. Like, that's how we're going to sell our CDs. We all talk about all the stuff that people used to be afraid of us for coming up in the beginning. We were so different than all these other cookie cutter bands and playing on these bills. Now we're being embraced by people are like, whoa, you're a breath of fresh air, you're different, you're entertaining, you have this vibe, you have this thought, you have this sound.
Stolen Babies are supporting their latest album, Not, and recently released a video for Second Sleep directed by their brother, Ilan Sharon.